Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. In this video, I am going to teach introduction of bookkeeping and accountancy. Let us study about the importance of bookkeeping. First is record. Bookkeeping is recording transactions in a systematic manner, which means it is not possible for the business owners to remember each and every transactions of the business. So bookkeeping ensures that all the transactions which are recorded is kept in a proper and permanent manner. Second, financial information. Bookkeeping records the financial activities of a business, which means the business transactions which are recorded helps in generating financial information of the business regarding the assets, liabilities, profit, loss, stock investment, etc. Third, decision making. All the information provided by bookkeeping helps the company, business or businessmen to make decisions for successful business operations, which means bookkeeping helps in maintaining accounting records, which makes the routine business decisions easier and smoother. Fourth, controlling. Management uses the financial records of a business to manage and control the business operations in a smooth manner. Such financial records are available from bookkeeping, which means bookkeeping helps in controlling and managing the financial records of the business. Fifth, evidence. Bookkeeping records can be used as legal evidence in courts, as all the recorded transactions of a business are recorded from source documents which act as an evidence in case of any disputes. Means the financial records which are maintained in the books of accounts also helps as an evidence in case of any business disputes. Sixth, comparison. Record of transactions in the books of accounts helps businesses to compare their financial positions year after year and with other business units, which means bookkeeping helps in comparing the financial performance with the previous year's performance of the business or with the performance with the other units of business. Seventh, tax liability. Bookkeeping helps the businessman in ascertaining the amount payable for sales tax, property tax, income tax, etc. Which means tax amount can only be prepared and calculated with the help of recorded financial transactions which are maintained in the books of accounts.